In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark or logo to your YouTube Shorts using CapCut to protect your content from re-uploads. First, open CapCut and load the video you want to edit. Now, go to the text option at the top and click on Add Text. Type your YouTube username or channel handle. Then adjust the size and choose a font you like. Next, scroll down and reduce the opacity to around 60% so the watermark is visible but not distracting. Now, place the text watermark near the top or center of the video. Avoid the right side and bottom because YouTube Shorts buttons and description appear there. If you want to add a logo instead, simply import your logo image into CapCut, place it on the video, resize it, and reduce the opacity to about 40 to 50%. And that's it. This is the easiest way to protect your YouTube Shorts with a watermark. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.